first thing you do is, if you're someone looking for just a form or a checklist, if you hit on this button, it's going to ask you, find an application form or checklist. And here, down here, you can see everything like application for Canadian citizenship. If you put something here like permanent residency, it's going to update. Here is showing you provincial nominees. This is if you're looking for a specific form for an application. Let's say we do something like open work permit. Is there anything going to happen? Open work. Okay, it says open work permit for vulnerable workers, right? So letter of explanation. So this is one way on doing that. And alternatively, if you're looking for an application package itself, all you have to do is you go to an application package, you select a category, let's say immigrate, visit, or visit, work, or study. You choose that. It's going to ask you, what are you applying for? So let's say we are trying to work in Canada. We just say work in Canada. To work in Canada is going to ask you, select an application package. So work permit from inside Canada, for an example, and then you click on get the application package. Once you hit on that button, it takes you directly to the application on how to apply for a work permit in Canada.